Well, here we are, Kobe, at Mount Ashland. What do you think?
Yay!
Hey, you got a friend.
He likes snow. Look, he's eating from me. Here's a big chunk.
Hi.
It's fun.
Can you go skiing with you? Oh yeah. We're about to go. This is her first time going out.
Relaxing on the nut, okay?
Roll off. Woo, snow all in her face.
It doesn't hurt at all, though.
There's a couple of slides there if you want to try. Or you need a landing pad when it's stuck. It's not just going to go up the cliff. Woo!
Oh, hold on to the emergency rope. Okay.
Woo! Woo! You want to try it?
No.
Come
I've
on.
had plenty of fun.
I'll go down with Kobe.
Okay, here we go.
We're gonna break.
Almost.
Hey, it breaks.
You guys ready?
Bobby, hold on to
Do
wait.
the countdown.
Whoa.
I can't do it. We need some help. Roberto, would you help
It's
us?
heavy because you have all that snow in there. Ho, ho, you're doing a good job. You got a ways to go.
If this works, that's good. It's cool. Am I going the right way? Am I gonna slip? Okay, you're the. I'm looking. We're a team because I'm looking this way and you're looking that way. One second, let me get it. Hey, I got you out.
I fell. Okay, pull it up. Here it is. You got it all the way up to the top.
I know, honey, I know. That's what happens in the snow.